pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, guess what? I got my first real Fab Fit Fun box. This is the fall 2020. I signed up for the yearly, and when I did it back in like May or June, and my box took forever to get there. And I got the editor's box. This time I got to do customizations then too, but I got to do customizations here, and I totally forgot what I chose. And this is the actual seasonal box. It's not the editor's. So I'm so very excited to be sharing this with you. Guys, my name is Karen if you're new here, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, y'all know I love you. Very, very much. So let's dive right in. Got my coffee over here, my smoke. Oh, okay. Paper! Yay! No, just kidding. All right. I just like pick that up later. Fab Fit Fun. You're worth celebrating. Oh, I love that. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Huh. Okay, so I'll read this later. It looks like we have got some coupons in here too. Ooh, okay. Put that aside. What is this? Okay, I remember picking that. The hair removal device. Is there a thing that shows you the prices? Guys, I'm new at this, so, okay, there is. It's in this book here. So let me put this in front of me. I'm not used to Fab Fit Fun boxes, and I don't see a card. So how many times do I always drop something? Every video? Okay, so this here is the Glossmetics hair removal device. I really need bigger room. Ooh, hold on. Oh, good, Karen. There you go. Let me find it in here. Yeah, it's 2B. So let me go back up. $59.99 is the retail value of this. Trying to open it. Ooh. I am so curious to see how this works. All right, so we've got a battery. We've got a brush to clean it off with. I guess it's just like an electric razor. Why did they put stuff around the battery? I'll be right back. There's only one way I know how to test this. Is to remove some hair. I'm scared. I'm removing arm hair, I think. What do we do? You just do circles? Whatever I'm doing ain't working. Okay, so I guess I'll have to read the instructions, and we'll figure that out, and I'll have to give you an update on it. All right, let's put this aside and pull out what is next. Oh, this is heavy. This here is the water bottle thing, I think. Is it in here? Yep. It is 4A. 35 bucks. It's a glass water bottle. With a case. Ditch the plastic and opt for this sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. I like this. I always carry a water bottle with me wherever I go, and I usually bring it in and put it in my purse if I have to go in someplace because I don't want it to get warm. So that's why I chose this. I thought, oh, cool. This should keep it insulated and nice. And look, it's even got how many cups is in there and everything. So I'm liking that a lot. And I do like the color. It's super pretty. Super cute. Okay. What do we have next? All right. What? Makeup? Is this makeup? Let's see. Proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette. Let me see what the cost of this is. 3E. $38. Wow. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I'm excited. I want to see. Oh my goodness, here we go. Okay, here it is. Ooh! Pretty fall colors. Yes, look at that. And who makes this? Beauty Bakery? Chia pudding, rice pudding. Oh, I like. I don't know if I want to swatch it though. I might want to do a giveaway with it. I don't know, but I do like it. That's cool. I always love getting eyeshadow palettes. So, I told you the price on that. So far we have 3 items. Now, these here, I remember not wanting to choose them, but it was this or something else. Sugar cubes, what do they do? Okay. 5E. Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse. Cleanse yourself with these delightful sugar cubes while leaving behind a yummy scent. So it's like a body scrub, but it's cubes. And it's got like a, I'm not really sure what it smells like. It's definitely some type of melon or, I don't know. But they're not like rough or anything like that, so it's cool. I don't like rough things, but that's fine. Sugar scrubs work really well. Okay. Next. Oh, I wanted this. It's a bag. I remember picking this. And then you have the option to add the other one for $15. And I was like, oh, no. I don't want to pay more money. Okay. This bag, I forget the worth. It is 1B. The Botker New York Trigger Backpack. $100. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's open her up. This here is nylon. I can already tell and feel it. And there's all kinds of smudges on this here. I like the pockets. The inside, it looks like you've got another zipper. And that's it. So there it is there. You've got your little straps here. And overall, I'm happy with that. So that's cool. Okay, next. Oh, there's 3 things left. Okay. HYTHE, Tranquility Sleep Mist. I didn't pick this. I would not have picked it. How does that happen? All right, I gotta figure out where this, let's see what it looks like. It's got a seal on it. It's formulated with powerful ingredients, it says, to help you sleep. Well, if I spray it right now, am I going to get knocked out? Like, I'm trying to tell you guys about the products here. And I don't say it. Of course, I'm not wearing my glasses because I never do. 7D. $22. Formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. Oh my gosh. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. All right, I'm going to let you know how this works because we all have trouble sleeping in this house. And it doesn't smell bad. Rice water smells terrible, but it doesn't smell like that. Okay, so let's pull out this here. This is Crease Release. The Laundress New York removes wrinkles. Ooh. 6B. $16. Easily remove, wrinkles from your clothing. It's like, I spray this on my face. It gets, okay, Karen. Well, I have the opportunity to try this because I have a lot of wrinkled clothes. So that is cool. Especially when ironing isn't an option. That's cool. So you just spray it on your clothes that are wrinkled and it should work, I'm assuming. Great. And, oh, I'm sad. We're at the last product. Glow Milk. Glow Milk is $16, right? This is this nourished with coconut and argan oil? The Beauty Crop. Didn't I just get one of those palettes in another? Yeah. iBeauty, the sister company from Glow Addict. There was like an eyeshadow palette in there. I don't really know how this opens. Oh, there's a seal and it opens back like this. So this is a serum. Right here. This body wash infused buffer cleanses and exfoliates the skin and offers up to 14 plus uses. I'm confused. Okay, so you just put a few drops, I'm guessing? Guys, help me out. What do I do with this thing? What does it say? Try it out on a small area of skin. So this is Glow Milk. It's a body wash, and I'm not thinking this is full size. This is definitely got to be a sample of some sort. If it's full size, that's weird. But okay, so that was it, and I see a lot of other stuff in here. So you guys must have gotten different variations, and I am super excited. This is my first box. So I have the Glow Milk here. I've got the sugar cubes. Those I can put in my shower. And then I've got the sleep mist. I wonder if it works. We'll try it on the kids. Yeah. Spritz a little. If they pass out, that'd be great. Okay, here's the water bottle that I picked. Then we've got the bag. Oh, there's pretty much a lot in here. I'm kind of surprised. We've got this eyeshadow palette. Do you want to see a look with it? Let me know in the comments below, please. And then we got the hair removal thing, which I'm not really sure how that works. Twist. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure that out another time and I'll let you know. And then we've got this here, which can help us with wrinkly clothes before we go outside. So overall, am I happy with this box? You bet. I have signed up for the yearly, so even if I didn't want it, I'm screwed. But I do, so it's all good. I like it. I'm happy. Did you get your box? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you were satisfied with it. And if you've tried this hair removal thing yet. Let me know, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.
Trying to bide our time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in.